In this video, you'll learn how to change your account name on Notion. This process is straightforward and will allow you to update how your name appears to other users within the platform. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully modified your account name. Begin by launching the Notion application on your device or navigating to the Notion website in your browser. In your browser, enter your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials on the login page to access your workspace. Once you are in your workspace, locate your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically displays your initials or a profile picture if you have set one. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with various options related to your account settings. After you click on your profile icon, a menu will appear. Select the option labeled Settings and Members. This will direct you to a new screen where you can manage your account settings, including your account name. On the Settings and Members page, look for the section titled My Account here. You will find your current account name displayed. Click on the text field that contains your name to enable editing. This action will allow you to type a new name of your choice. Once you have entered the new account name, look for a button or option that says Save Changes or similar. Click this button to confirm your changes. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account name has been successfully updated. If you do not see this message, verify that you've clicked Save Changes before moving on. Keep in mind that changing your account name may take effect in various parts of Notion, including shared pages and comments. It is also important to consider that if you change your name frequently, it may confuse collaborators. After completing these steps, your new name will be visible to anyone you share your workspace with. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.